Yo, 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 what's going on? Happy Friday. I'm back with my tropical fruit series. We have here today the flat peach slash donut peach slash Saturn peach. We also have here Juan Canary Melon and a Hami Melon. So let's get into this. I have eaten the donut peach and they're very good, but I want to do the melons first. I've never tasted any of these melons, and I do know that I've had them for over a week, but I never cut into them, and it's hot downstairs in my kitchen because we don't keep the air on except for when I'm down there cooking, really. And so they tend to ripe or go bad a little bit more fast. So let's see if this Hami melon is bad. And let me tell you a little bit about the Hami melon. The Hami melon is a type of melon, musk melon, originally from Hami, Xinjiang. It refers to as the Chinese Hami melon or snow melon. The outer color is generally white through pink or yellow through green. The inside flesh is sweet and crisp. So it kind of reminds you of like a cantaloupe, kind of. It says the inside flesh is sweet and crisp. Let's see, like I said, because I had this for a long time. Not a long time, but like I said, fruits tend to go ripe very fast in my kitchen, and I had no room in my refrigerator to put it to slow down the process. So this is what it looks like in the inside. It's juicy. It do got these seeds in it, so I should bring a bag every time I come and do this, especially with these melons. But I do have some napkins in here. Ooh, I got on my computer. I got my spoon, so let's see. Just get this out. It has the seeds. Most of these cantaloupe, these melons have seeds just like a cantaloupe or a honeydew. But it seems to be good in the inside, so it's just one that you have to eat. And it smells sweet, and it smells like a cantaloupe. And it's soft to me like a golden delicious melon. It has that soft texture. And this is good. I'm not tasting any crisp, because sometimes with honeydew melons and cantaloupes, you could get one that's soft, but it still has that crisp bite to it. But this reminds me of a golden delicious melt. Okay. This reminds me of a golden delicious, just sweet. The flesh is very soft. You can just eat it just like this with a come on now. You can eat it just like this with a spoon out the rind. So if you want to try, when I said this was a Hami melon, I give it the thumbs up. Very good. And I haven't eaten today, so this will probably be my little start off snack to my food. So I'm putting these here because, as y'all know, these melons, they drip a lot of juice. So now we're gonna do the Juan, I guess it's pronounced Juan melon, Juan Canary Melon, and it says the Canary Melon or winter melon is a large, bright yellow, elongated melon. As you can see, is yellow. Has Juan Canary on here. Come on, focus, fool. There you go. It says it's a bright yellow elongated melon with a pale green to white inner flesh. The melon has a distinctively sweet flavor that is slightly tangier than a honeydew melon. The flesh looks like that of a pear but is softer. When ripe, the rind has a slightly waxy feel. And it does have a just slight, not bad. So let's cut into this. And it does have a harder, because this is a sharp knife that I got. Y'all see my table shaking? Ew. So it does have a kind of like a white in the flesh. My eyes is telling me a little bit different because of the lighting, and it's daytime outside, so it's casting like it's looking like a greenish tint to it. But this is what the Juan Canary Melon looks like on the inside. I'm gonna scoop out the smaller side. It has the seeds again. These melons have seeds just like in the inside, just like a honeydew and a cantaloupe that you pull out. Has a little bit of juice to it. Again, I've never tasted these. So we're gonna see. It's not as soft as the golden delicious melon, the Hami, but it is soft. That's how it looks. And again, it's good. I don't really taste it. Do I taste the tangy? It's not as sweet as the golden delicious and the Juan melon, but flesh looks like that of a pear, I guess. Do this look like that of a pear to y'all? It don't look like that of a pear to me, but I don't know. But definitely the Juan Canary, I give a thumbs up. And these are actually not expensive. I can't remember how much I paid for each one. I think they were like anywhere from 49 cents a pound to 99 cents a pound. And you can see that these melons are not heavy. They're small, actually. So they are not expensive. Now we're gonna try to clean this up a little bit so we can have the somewhat of a clean table. Now that takes us on to the flat peach / donut peach / Saturn peach. I've had these before. I was supposed to do this video, but I did not. And since then, I've had like 4 more little sacks. They come in these little um, square buckets, sachets, or you know that people that they put fruit in. Square has a handle, but they're paper. So my son eats them too with his yogurt as well because he's on a eating plan. Not an eating plan, but he has to meal prep to get his calories in. So, and I love peaches too. It's just that with peaches, I like my peaches right because I eat my fruit right away. And some peaches that I have been getting, they was just disgusting. They would be soft but not sweet. And so they let me taste these in the store. And I haven't got a bad batch yet. So let me tell you a little bit about the Saturn Peach slash Flat Peach slash Doughnut Peach. It is a peach with a pale yellow fruit that is oblate in shape. So as you can see, it looks flat. It does have pale yellow. It's pale yellow and peachy looking, orange, reddish orange. The Saturn peaches are flatter than fruit of most more popular peach varieties. Their skin is yellow and red, and they are less fuzzy than many peaches. I really don't feel any fuzz on here. Inside the Saturn peach is a pale yellow to white appearance. The ones I've had were pale yellow. They are harvested in late spring through the end of summer. Saturn peaches are usually sweeter than other peaches. I can attest to that. They are sweeter, but I've had some big peaches that were very sweet too. But still have a recognizable peach taste. They are said to be more complex tasting and flavorful, often described as possessing undertones of almond. Huh. I ain't never tasted no almond, but then again, I was never looking for it. It has a seed. That's the seed right here. Hear that? So you have to kind of cut around it. Or if you have a potato peeler, you can get in there, and scoop it out and just cut up the peach. But this is what the inside looks like. Let me see if I can get that clear. It is juicy, as you can see the juiciness of it. I love these peaches. I don't think I'll go back to the other peaches because they so unpredictable if they're going to be good or not. I can't waste fruit like that, and I've wasted a lot of doggone peaches messing around with them and they're not being fruit because I can't eat no fruit that's not sweet. Oh, that seed come all the way out. It does have a pretty big seed, and as you can see, this is juicy. You see the juice coming out on the board when I squeeze it. I just want to get the seed out because the seed is very big. It's not as big as a regular peach seed, but this is the seed. So for a donut, and this is the hole that the seed came out of. So it is a nice size seed for such a small piece of fruit. And again, I've had these and they are delicious. And again, I love them. I'm not tasting no almond. I'm not tasting almond undertone. Am I? I don't know, my taste buds, maybe because I ate the other fruits, but my taste buds are just not tasting an almond undertone. I can say they complex. To me, it tastes like a peach. And out of the couple of baskets, that's what they call them, baskets. They come by the basket full. I've not had a bad basket yet. Every one I've cut into, some of them the flesh may be a little bit more pale yellow, not as juicy, but they were still good. It says other names they're known by, just in case you go to your grocery store, or I found mine at Sprouts. I'm not sure other places that you'd be able to find them at, but other names they're known by, other than Doughnut Peach. They're called Paraguayo Peach, Pantail Peach, Saucer Peach, Flat Peach, Belly Up Peach, UFO Peach, Chinese Flat Peach, Hat Peach, Angier Peach, Custard Peach, Wild Peach, White Peach, Pumpkin Peach, Squashed Peach, Bagel Peach, or Pita Peach. That's a lot of names. So if y'all looking for this peach, remember those names. But you know the shape of it. Just Google Doughnut Peach and it'll come up. So this turned out very good. Sorry I ate all the peach and couldn't give you a better ending. But these are definitely a thumbs up. That last tropical fruit video that I did, them fruits was disgusting. The banana that I had, it was called a chunky banana. Even when I let them ripe even more, I just couldn't get with it. But my son didn't mind it. He needed it. He used them in his yogurt parfaits, and also what else did he use it in? I think just a regular fruit salad he used them in, and so he didn't mind it. He ate them. I just couldn't get with them. They kind of tasted like a regular banana, but not. They had a different taste to them, and I just didn't like it. So all of those fruits, I think, except for the golden delicious melon, which I've had the golden delicious melon before that video, was the only one. If I'm thinking that melon was in that video, was the only fruit that I liked out of that whole thing. That purple whatever it was. That thing was squishy. I don't know if it just got messed up in the bag or what, but it was just a mess. The Pluto plum or whatever it was called, I had one that was good before. That one was just nasty. I don't know. It was soft, so I know it was ripe, but I have no idea what happened. And also, I got that purple fruit and that Pluto from Safeway. The first one that I got, the Pluto plum, I got from Sprouts. So those were good. So I don't know, but this is it. Juan Canary Melon, Hami Melon, and Doughnut Peach all get a thumbs up. If you like melons, you like peaches, give these a try. They're actually not expensive. The Doughnut Peach, you get them by a basket, a small little basket, for like $2.99, I believe, and you get probably about 10 to 12. They fill the basket up with the peaches. So I should have bought the basket in here so y'all can see it, but they fill the basket up and it's like $2.99 a basket at Sprouts. I believe it's a basket. Hopefully it's not a pound. But yeah, this is it. What's left of the Doughnut Peach that I didn't eat. So this is 20 minutes. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Please leave your comments in the box below. Don't forget to share the video out to your friends. And don't forget to give me that thumbs up. Leave me some comments in the box below if you ever tried these fruits or you want to try these fruits. Peace.